Hi, Kathy here from KathysKuteKreations. I told you that when I got done doing this baby blanket, I would show it to everybody. So it's gonna go to work to my coworker on Monday. So here it is. Go ahead and you get a close-up if you want to, Sherry. She's the camera lady.
Well, if I get any closer, I'm cutting the rest of it out. But
okay. And then let me flip it over a little bit so you can see the back of it. Here's what the back looks like.
Let me back up a little bit for that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Looks like puzzle pieces.
Mm-hmm. And that's it. And this started out as a, well, it wasn't a panel, but it was a bunch. There was like more rows of this, and I just cut off a row of these. And then I cut a row and then four, because it's all in one piece. So, and then the other ones I just set aside. Okay, and I said something to my sister so she could make a baby quilt also. That's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Give me a thumbs up. Make a comment if you'd like. Subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.